how to declare a YouTube video as paid promotion. So hey guys, if you want to declare any of your YouTube videos as a paid promotion, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing we need to do is open up our YouTube Studio application or website. So since currently I am in a web browser, what I'm gonna do is after opening up my YouTube website, click onto the profile picture at the top right. Once I click over it, you can see this option of YouTube Studio. So simply click over the YouTube Studio option and it will launch your YouTube Studio website. Now the next thing we need to do is find out that particular video for which you want to enable the paid promotion tag. So to do this, click onto the content tab at the left and it will open the channel content which lists out all of the videos that you have uploaded till now. So for example, let's say I want this video to be declared as a paid promotion video. So what I'm gonna do is simply hover my cursor over to this video and click onto this details icon with a pencil mark. Once I've clicked here, it will open the video details page. So I can scroll down and then I need to click onto this show more button. Just keep scrolling and you can see this section of paid promotion which says if you accepted anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let us know. We will show viewers a message that tells them your video contains paid promotion. So in order to mark this video as a paid promotion, you need to simply check mark this particular icon, and once you will do this, you need to click onto the save button at the top right corner as well. And once you will do this, you can see this message which says changes saved, which means that this video has been successfully marked as a paid promotion. So now let us check if this has worked or not. So if I open this video on YouTube, and here you can see that if I open this particular video, it will list out this include paid promotion tag. So that's how easy it is to embed a paid promotion tag into your videos or declare them as paid promotion. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.